Hello, welcome back friends. Welcome back to another video. This is Tech Boy Psychedin. So in this video we're gonna see the Linux Mint installation process. The version is Linux Mint 19.3 Cinnamon version. So this is the interface and the tools we're gonna see in the Linux Mint. So let's head toward the softwares needed for this. So however, you need the software, Oracle VM VirtualBox, and the Linux Mint ISO image file. The new viewers who are to my channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. So these are the two softwares you needed. I'll provide the links in the description. This is the VirtualBox. In the initial video I have already shown how to install and download it, and the extension pack also. So this is the interface of VirtualBox. Now you need this Linux Mint ISO file. I'll show how to download this. So let's open your favorite browser and just type Linux Mint and then click enter. So click on the first link. It will head towards the main download page of Linux Mint. This is the official page, and here head towards the download. Now in the download section, scroll down. You'll see the three versions or the three distributions. I'll recommend you to download the Cinnamon version 64-bit. Just click on the 64-bit and it will head towards this. The size is 1.9 GB approximately. Tricia Cinnamon 64-bit. You can download it through the torrent. So the new viewers who are to my channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon. So this is the file I have downloaded. Now just open the VirtualBox. So click on new and just type Linux Mint. And the downloaded the folders will be saved in the C drive, and I want to change them from C drive to my E drive. E or G, let me take E. Okay, select folder and the type is Linux. The version is Ubuntu 64-bit. Click on next, and the recommended memory size is I'm allocating it's better to stay in the green line, so I'm allocating 1900. Then click on next. So keep it as default and click on create. So virtual hard disk. Now VirtualBox disk image. Okay, click on next. Dynamically allocated. It may arise a problem if we allocate the fixed size. Now here the file location and size needed. The file location I have selected is E drive, and I'm just allocating here 16 GB. I think it's maximum enough to this Linux Mint. Just click on create. So as you see here, the Linux Mint have been created. Now just head towards the settings or just press Ctrl S. You'll head towards the settings page, and in this page just click on system, and the RAM memory I have allocated is 1900. Now click on storage. In order to choose the ISO image file, choose the disk file here. This was the image file I have downloaded through the Linux Mint page. Just click on it and click on open. So as you see here, it is opened. It's showing the notification. Click on live CD and the audio input, and the network is native. So keep all them as default and just directly click on OK. Now click on the Linux Mint and just click on start. Just click on start. As you click on start, the operating system will launch and you need to install it. And just click on start. Click on start, then it will head towards the operating system launcher. Here you see the Oracle VM VirtualBox. Then just simply click on Start Linux Mint, the first option. Just click on it, enter capture, just click on it, and it will take some time, a couple of minutes. Yes, just in order to enter the full screen, you need to just enter Ctrl plus F, as the host key is right control in the keyboard. And now just it will take a couple of minutes as it is running. So the new viewers who are to my channel, just click on subscribe and hit the bell icon. Don't forget to like the video and share my channel. Your each and every like to my video encourages me a lot, so please encouraging me. I'll provide you a lot of latest videos. Now this is the interface of Linux Mint. The logo is just awesome. Now this is the desktop. We are actually at this desktop, and now we need to install. These are all the tools provided in the Linux Mint, and here you need to click on install Linux Mint. It will head towards the installation process, and there you can install and select all the details and passwords you need to enter in it. Now it will take a couple of minutes. So this is the installation media. Here just click on English, as we are English, then click on continue. Now it will ask for a keyboard type, which country keyboard you need to set. So I need English US version. Just click on English US, just click on continue, and it will head towards the next step. As you see in the bottom, you can see it is having a 5 to 6 steps. So this step can be skipped, or you can tick it also. Erase disk and install Linux Mint. Don't fear by seeing this statement. It will erase only the virtual hard disk which we initially created for only Linux Mint, not your real hard disk. It will only erase the virtual hard disk which is created by us just now in the virtual machine. Just click on continue, and now you'll head towards your name. I think it will ask for your name or machine name, and below options are just for formality purpose. It will take a couple of minutes. So it's asking for a location, and mine was India, and it will defaultly select the Kolkata as time zone. Just click on continue. Now type your name. Mine's Sai Kiran, and choose a password. Choose it, whether a weaker or a stronger one. None of it can affect your operating system. And just click on require my password to login and click on continue. Then after some time, it will take a couple of minutes to install overall the GUI interface of the operating system. It's copying all the files. So it's gone, now we both moved on. Oh, that's la. Meanwhile, the new viewers to my channel, hit the subscribe and hit the bell icon to get all the personalized notifications and latest updates. Stay tuned to my channel. So actually the Linux Mint is a operating system used for many purposes. Mainly we're gonna use this for exploitation, and sometimes it is also used to install the multiple packages. So Comparing to Windows 10, this is the best one and a very simple and compatible one compared to Windows. Here the installation process has come to an end. You can see here installation complete. Now you need to restart your virtual machine, that is operating system. Click on restart now and it will restart. As you see, the machine is going off. Now you'll see a message called hit enter, then press enter. Please remove the installation media. Press enter. Let me press enter, and here it starts again. Now while restarting, it will definitely ask for your password, as we recently set up our password as a 4-letter one. Now just cross this and untick this, show this dialog box at starting. Just untick this and cross. Here you see this is the installation process of Linux Mint. So in order to get into the full screen mode, you need to install the VirtualBox Guest Editions package. So just click on devices and insert Guest Edition CD image. Now it will take a minute. Just click on run and it will ask for your password to authenticate and run the packages. So let me type my password and click on authenticate. Now it will take 2 to 3 minutes to install all the. So now press return to the close window. Now when you press the right control and F, right control simultaneously with the F button, it will enter to the full screen mode. As you can see here, click on switch and then it will enter to the full screen mode. Look at this. This is the full screen mode. Before installing this VirtualBox Guest Editions, it will not be able to enter into the full screen mode. And here's the start button. Here you can see all the tools involved in it and you can cooperate with them. So this is the installation process, friends. So stay tuned to my channel and keep liking and encouraging me a lot. Stay tuned. Bye bye.